What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Durbin Compound. If you haven't met me already, my name is Devin, and this is my buddy Dylan. He's still weirded out about the camera and being in the room, but it's all good. So tonight we are we're taking apart the 7.3 that came out of Dylan's truck, 2002. This motor has 250,000 miles on it, and we're disassembling it tonight. We're going to break it down and redo everything on it. The main reason we pulled this out was because the oil pan gasket was leaking severely. Somebody had tried to patch it in the past with some RTV. It didn't quite work out, so it was just peeing oil basically all over the place. So every time you'd pull it in the shop, it'd leak about a quart of oil all over the shop floor when you shut it down. So that's the main reason why we pulled this thing out. So we are going to do a little time-lapse video tonight. Everybody seemed to enjoy my time-lapse video of my shop project, so we're back out here again, and we're about to pull these heads off. So I'm going to do a time-lapse of that. We'll pull the injectors, pull the valve covers off, get the gaskets off, do all that kind of stuff. So hope you enjoy. We'll see you at the end of the time-lapse. Who knows how long it'll be. Alright guys, well I hope you loved that time lapse. We had fun doing it. We were basically just working at regular rate. There were some hiccups here and there, like me forgetting like 5 head bolts. really forgot that there were head bolts outside of the actual valve cover, so dumb me, I had to take out 10 more, but we got the heads off, got her turned upside down so she's leaking all over the place. About to take this bunk oil pan off and see how bad this RTV job is that was leaking so badly. So I hope you enjoy. We're going to keep hacking away on this. I might keep going with the time lapse, I might not. So as always, we'll see you guys next video. I hope you enjoy the next one I have coming up. It's going to be probably 5 things I hate about the 7.3, something like that. So we'll figure it out. We're going to keep on chugging away. So see you guys next time around.